Hey, what's up guys? And you are on StockMetrix channel. Welcome back to the newbies guide, and today we're gonna bust top 5 myths about investing. So keep watching. So the first reason is I don't have enough knowledge about investing. Well, actually it seems that investing requires a lot of knowledge or some kind of financial background. However, there are so many online resources available nowadays that explain those investing terms in a simple manner so anybody can understand it well. From my personal experience, I have to say that the only thing that investing requires is desire for knowledge. And actually, if you want to understand how to do that, you need some kind of basics, of course, and also some strategy to follow. That's where StockMetrix comes to the game, and actually StockMetrix helps me to develop my strategy for investing. And you should check it out because it's absolutely giving all the information for free. So the second reason is I don't have enough money to invest. Well, actually, investing does not require huge amounts of money. Although there are some big players on the market who invest a lot of money, even if you invest some kind of percentage of your income, even a small one, you can generate a good return over time. So basically, remember the previous video about 5 reasons to invest, where I was talking about the compound interest? Exactly, you should check it out, and money makes money. So the third reason is investing is too risky. Actually, life is risky in general. However, if you know what you're doing and investing only in those companies that you're 100% confident with, it can eliminate the risk percentage. It does take common sense and research in order to do a good financial investments. However, if the person does it correctly, it is never too risky to invest. Those who invest consistently, conservatively, and don't panic rarely lose their money. In fact, they generate a lot of profit, which gives them a secure future and actually comfortable retirement. So the fourth reason is being 100% debt-free. Actually, I completely disagree with this reason, because you can't sit just on the sidelines simply because you have some kind of loans or debts. It's totally normal. In fact, with investing, you can build a reserve that can protect you and your family and provide you with some additional sources of passive income that over time can make you absolutely debt-free. So the fifth reason is savings are better. Actually, there is no better or worse. Those terms are just different. I have to say though that savings accounts have a much less return. The interest you get is taxable and actually much less than the rate of inflation, which means that over time your savings would go down in value. So keep that in mind. So those were my top 5 myths about investing. If you have your own, you can comment them down below and I would bust them in my future videos. I hope that you liked this video. Put this video a big thumb up if you did, and also visit StockMetrix.net in order to see all my other videos and understand what is going on with my investing portfolio. Also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week, so bye!